Find the shortest distance between the lines whose vector equations are. So we can see that this particular thing is not in its standard form. The standard form being this, right? That is the position vector plus a constant into the vector which is parallel to the required line. So for that, we can rearrange. So I'm going to take I cap out over here, and t plus t will be a constant. So minus I cap. Again, you can do it with one more step. So let me do that for you guys. This step is not needed for your exam, but I'm just showing it for you guys. So I cap minus t I cap plus t j cap minus 2 j cap. Again, if you want to do it, you can do this, not an issue. If you're a bit tensed and all that, it's better that you guys do it, because you might go wrong, right? So without constant, we have this term. Okay, all the terms which are without constant, that will be your position vector of the point on the line, and then the constant j cap minus 2t 2k, sorry, 2k cap. So this is your R1. So you guys can do the same thing with R2 also. So R2 is equal to I cap plus S I cap. I'm already arranging in particular order. Minus j cap plus 2s j cap minus k cap minus 2s k cap. Right. Then we have R2 in its standard form as I cap minus j cap minus k cap plus s times of I cap plus 2 j cap minus 2 k cap. And now we'll start off with writing. So what should we do? We need to compare it with the standard form and all of that. So we have comparing the given equations with the standard form. So what do we end up with? R is equal to position vector times, not times, sorry, lambda times of the parallel vector. So we have line 1 to be of the form A1, which is equal to, so this is our A1 and this is our B1. So minus I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap. Line 2 A1 would be A2, sorry, the position vector of the point would be the following, right? And B2 would be I cap plus 2 j cap minus 2k cap. The only difficulty for me over here, the drawback is the values are in one place and I have to do the calculation in another place. If not, if you guys write it in the same place, then things will be okay. So we have the formula. We'll write down the formula first. This will give us our direction of D basically. And the magnitude, we can obtain it by subtracting, sorry, not subtracting, taking a dot between this particular result and A2 minus A1. This will give us the direction. Sorry, not direction, the length. So this being projected onto this will give us the distance. Again, I remember the derivation, that's how I remember the formula. So the formula which I've typed over here is wrong. It should have been minus. So even though it's there, but I'm clear with my derivation and the thinking, so I know the formula properly. Right, guys? So that's how I remember the formula. That's how things become a lot easier. B1 cross B2. Let's do this first and everything else later. Okay, so we have matrix form. That's what I'll use. So we have I, J, K, minus 1, 1 and minus 2. Right? Yeah. 1, 2 and minus 2. Again, minus 1, 1 and minus 2, 1, 2 and minus 2. Okay, looks okay. So I cap would be, if the calculation is simple, then we'll just move forward. 2. So you don't have to show many steps. So that would be 2. Then we have minus the cap of this is plus 2 plus 4. But there's a negative already outside. Again, please look into matrix multiplication to understand all of this. And I did explain, but if you're not getting it exactly, then you have to improve on your matrix multiplication. This would be minus 3 k cap. Right? Okay, let me recheck. This is minus 2, minus of minus plus 4. Right. So this is minus, this is plus 2. See, that's good. I checked. Plus, no, it's correct. This is minus 2 and so done. And now we have magnitude of this. So that would be 2 square plus 4 square plus 3 square to the power of half. So that would be 4 plus 16 plus 9. So this is clearly 25 and 29, root of 29. Next we have A2 minus A1. So it's here, that's good. So this is 0. Then this is plus j cap. And this is minus 4k cap. Okay, looks okay. And finally, we have the D will be equal to, so the cross between these two expressions, j cap minus 4k cap, this entire thing divided with root of 29, the magnitude. And so this would be equal to 0 minus 4 plus 12 root of 29. This is not even required. So this will be equal to 8 by root of 29. So rationalized form of this is 8 root of 29 by 29 unit. Yeah, so only thing that I would advise over here is try to avoid the number of working. Try to do a lot of work in your head. Do it slowly, but write it to an extent what is needed. You will just write that so that you're not wasting your time. But do it a bit slowly.